New Rattan Wicker Weave Garden Furniture Patio Conservatory 2 or 3-seater sofa sets, Algarve 2+1+1, dark gray. Low maintenance ownership. This rattan set is specifically designed to provide you with low maintenance ownership. This outdoor garden furniture will require little maintenance due to its high-quality construction materials and design. Constructed with a PE rattan weave material which never needs to be painted or treated. High-quality rattan weave. This rattan furniture set is finished with a high-grade premium PE rattan weave. All rattan furniture sets incorporating table glass tops are specified and supplied with tempered safety glass, ensuring your investment can be enjoyed by all of the family without safety concerns. Removable and washable cushion covers. Relax in the knowledge that this set is supplied with high-quality cushions which are dirt-resistant and showerproof. This rattan set has substantial foam seat cushions and has seat covers which are fully removable via a sturdy zip to allow washing, allowing all of your family and pets to enjoy your garden furniture set without the worry. Fully certified for safety and peace of mind. You have no need to worry. This furniture set has been tested and certified to comply with UK Furniture and Furnishings fire and safety regulations. As one of the UK's leading rattan garden furniture importers, we also have a dedicated customer service team with years of experience dealing directly with our happy customers to deal with any of your queries.